Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to install Oracle 21c Express Editions. Before we dive into installation process, let's make sure your system is ready for installations. First and most important, we need to ensure that your machine meets the necessary requirements. Make sure your system is running a 64-byte architectures and enough space available in your machine. To make things easier for you, I have prepared one comprehensive step-by-step documents that will guide you how to install Oracle 21.3 Express Editions as well as the SQL developer. Along with that, we can learn how to import HR schema. Let's begin. So, first steps download the Oracle Database 21 Express Edition for 64, Windows 64. So here you have two options. Either you can download from official Oracle site or you can download the software from Google Drive. I have provided the two links here so you will find that links into the documents, and this document I'll give path into the descriptions box. So here we have that Oracle official website. So here you can download the Oracle Database 21c Express Editions. Either you can see uh, this software is I put into the Google Drive. Here also you can download the this software. Once you downloaded the file from Oracle official website or Google Drive, so you will find that file into the your downloaded folders. So you can move this file into your folders or any specific folder you can move as per your convenience. You can move that. So I already moved that to the my local folders. Here you can see this is downloaded file. So you can what you can do that you can just, this is in zip format, you need to extract that. So just right click on that Oracle XE folder and do the extract here. So the extract process will be like a begin. Just wait to complete that extract process. So once the extract is completed, you can see the one uh, applications logo here for setup. So you can just click on to the setup, right click, and better you can run as an administrator. So you can click on to the run as an administrator. Once you click on to run as an administrator, you will get a one pop-up. Do you want to allow these applications to make the changes? So just click on to the yes to assign some privileges for the software. So you can just click on yes. So once you click on yes, so installation process will be like a begin. So here we have some information about the software. You can just read the installations and just click on to the next. Once you click on to the next, here we have the some license agreements. So you can read this all these informations, and once you agree with that, you can just click onto the I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on to the next. So once you click on the next, it will be asked for the destination folder. So no need to change that. You can keep as it is, or if you want to change that, you can change that. And once you done with this, you can just click on to the next. So once you click on to the next button, you will find one windows where we need to put the password. So you can put the password here as per your convenience. You can put any password, but make sure you should remember this password, because this password will be used into the next further process. So I'll keep my password as a sys12, sorry, sys123. I need to confirm database password again, so I'll keep the same only, sys123. Even for safe side, I'll keep my password save here also, sys123. Okay. So once you put the password you can just click on next. So once you click on to the next button, so you will find some information here, what is your destination folders, Oracle home path, Oracle base path. So no need to take any screenshot of this. If you want, you can take, otherwise keep as it is and just click onto the installation button. So once you click onto the installation button, so installation process will be begin. So you can wait to complete the installation as 100%. once the installation is completed, we can move to the next process. So once the download is installation is completed, you will see this pop-up window. So this window you can take a screenshot because this window is required. This information is required for further database connection. So better you can take a screenshot and save somewhere. So let's take a screenshot. Okay, because here you can see it's local host and DB connections. DB names is mentioned here, so this is required. This is localhost, and this is the service name because this is required. So uh, once you take the screenshot, you can do the finish. Click on finish. So here like a Oracle database 21c expression addition installation is completed. So we need to move to the next process, which is we need to install the SQL developer. So here also I provided the two links. One is you can download it from official website, and one you can download it from to the Google Drive. So this is the link for to the SQL developer. Here you can see for Windows 64 bytes, you can download SQL developer this version from here, and or you can download from to the Google Drive, which I provided link into this document. Okay, so I already have downloaded SQL version here so you can see this is my SQL version. So you can do once you this is the zip format. So what you can do that you can similarly you can do that extract this zip file. So you can right click over there and do the extract here. So once you do the extract here, wait for to complete the extract process. So once the extract is completed, you can see the one folder here, which is SQL developer. Just double click on that and open that SQL developer folder. Once you double click on SQL developer folder, you can see the SQL developer applications icon here you can double click onto the SQL developer, or you can right click and run as administrator. So once you run as administrator, the one pop-up will come. Do you want to allow this application to make the changes? So you can just right click on yes and wait for to the complete the installation for SQL developer. So once the installation is completed, you can see the SQL developer application will be open. This is the applications you can see. You can just click on OK. On left hand top side, you can see the one plus symbol. Yes, in the left top side, you can see the plus symbol. You can just click on that. Once you click on that, you will see the one window which we need to create the new connections for database. So here in the name, you can keep any name as per your convenience. So I'll keep as a system. Okay. Then you need to put the username. So username you can keep as a system only. And password you can keep whatever password we previously put during the Oracle 21c Express Edition installation. So this is my password as a SYS123. I'll keep the same password SYS123. And you can move to the next a host names. So host name you can see we took the screenshot here. This is my local host name, local host. My port name is 5122. 1522. So you can click over there and you can change 1522. And my service name is a XEPDB1. So I'll change to the service name. I'll click on service name and I'll keep a XEPDB1. Once you fill all the information, just try to test these connections. Click on test. Wait for the testing connections and check the status. Here you can see my status is success. So it means my connection is successfully configured. So you can just save and try to reconnect that. So once you try to reconnect that, it will be asked for to the password again. So try to put the same password SYS123 and connect. So once you connect that, we can move to the next step. Here you can mention like, yeah. So installation is completed for SQL also. So now we need to import the HR schema, because in 21C we don't have any HR schema, so we need to import that HR schema. So I already provided the HR schema link also, so you can download this from this path only. Okay. So here you can see the HR schema. So you can download this HR schema from here. I already downloaded the HR schema in zip format. So similarly, you can do the extract here and try to unzip this folder. So once you do the extract here, you can see the HR schema. Okay, so what you can do that, you can copy this HR schema, go to the C drive, go to the app, then double click on to the yes, you can copy the HR schema. This is human resources folder. You can copy, go to the C drive. In C drive, you can see the app folder. You can double click on app. So once you click on app, you can see the your name. So you can double click on that. Here my name is like Kumar. So like same as per your machine names, you can go to the this folder. Then you can see the product. Double click on product also. Then 21C. Go to the database DB home XC. Once you double click, and you can see the multiple folders here. So you can check for to the, yeah, in DB Home XC, you can see the demo folder. You can just double click onto the demo folder. Then you can see the schema folder. You can double click on schemas folder, and here you can put paste that. What are the copy the human resources folder you can. So here you can paste that human resources folder. So once we put that human resource folder, uh, I already provided the one scripts that. So you need to run that scripts. Okay, so just copy this step from that document, go to the SQL developer and to the system. Once you go to the SQL developer, you can just paste that the scripts here, like a do one changes only here, like a guru one. Instead of that guru one, I can keep my system name, which is my Kumar. Okay, so similarly also you can change as per your system names. Once you change that, you can just select that, and here you can see the ones icon as a run statement. So you can click on run statement. So once you run that, it will be asked for to the input values. So I already provided the all input values step by step. So first input value is like a HR. So similarly put, just paste the HR. Second input value we can ask put as a users. You can just copy or you can type users, then okay. Similarly, third steps they ask for to the temp, so you can copy and paste here as a temp, then okay. Step number 4, like the input values they are asking for to the password. My password is like a SYS123, so I will put SYS123, but in your case you can type your password only. Yeah. They are asking for to the step number 5 values. So step number 5 value you can keep as a this one. This is like a similar for everyone, so you can keep that same only and click OK. and asking for the 6 value. So 6 values you can keep as a this one, and later I'll tell you like what changes you need to do. Let me copy this one. I'll put this one, and here what are the screenshot you took. You can check like what is my local host name. My local host name is like a 1522. I'll change that. So similarly also whatever the local host is present, based on that you can change that, and then click on OK. Once you click on that OK, that script will be run. Once this completed, you can go to this plus symbol, click on that. You'll see the new window. In that new window, we need to create the HR skip connections. So just name as a HR. You can keep any name. In the username, you can keep HR. Password should be HR only. This is same for everyone. Local host, like we can keep as it. Just refer the screenshot for connections. Okay, my local host is like a 1522, and my service name is like a XEPDB1. So you can just cross check that XEPDB1. You can put in lowercase, uppercase, doesn't matter. Once you put all the information, just try to test these connections. Click on test. You can see the success here like a, and just save that and try to reconnect that. Once you connect that, it'll ask for the password. Just type the password as a HR and say OK. So here one more sheet will be open as into the HR schema. So what you can do that, here I provided the one more step. This is last step like a, so you can copy these steps. This all scripts you can copy, paste into the HR schema, and just instead of the Intel, you can keep your uh, machine name. So similarly, I'll do that changes here also. Okay, so I have changed the name where we put that HR schema name. This is like product 21C. So this name you can keep into the scripts, and just select all these scripts and try to execute that. This is a run statement, or you can keep press the control enter. So once you run that, it will be begin that all these like indexes, views, everything will be extract for this HR schema. Just wait for to complete that scripts. Yes, once this completed, you can try to execute any steps like select. I'll do that select. So once this completed, you can just run this select statement, select star from employee to see that the table in HR schema. So here you can see that the HR schema, we have employee table. Along with that, we have different tables also. So go just extend this HR schema, go to the tables, and here you can see like a lot of tables are there. So you can do the exercise based on that table. So this installation is completed now. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.